Hello, let's see how to make Ragi Roti. First take 1.5 cup of ragi flour, followed by a teaspoon of salt. Here I have taken Himalayan pink salt, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of pepper for better assimilation of turmeric. Next, some grated ginger, finely chopped chili, finely chopped coriander, and some curry leaves. Add in finely chopped onion and finely grated carrot. Now mix all the ingredients really well till the blend. Gradually add warm water to the mixture. Now knead soft pliable dough. It should be softer than the regular chapati dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a parchment paper or banana leaf. Make sure that the dough is of a spreadable consistency and take a ball-sized dough, nicely rolling it in your hand like this. Now sprinkle some water or oil over the parchment paper. Take the ball-sized dough and with wet hands spread it evenly into a round circle. Flatten it as thinly as possible. Make sure you wet your fingers, otherwise the dough sticks to your fingers. Now make a hole in the center for the steam to escape easily while cooking. Heat the tawa over medium flame and grease it well with the oil. Now transfer the patted roti onto the surface of the tawa by keeping the parchment paper upside down. Make sure you peel off the parchment paper very gently. Cover the lid and let it cook until the bottom surface turns dark in color for almost 1.5 minutes. Flip it over another side and cook for a minute. Ragi is whole grain, gluten-free, rich in fiber and helps in weight loss. Also an excellent diabetic friendly food. When it's well cooked, transfer to a serving plate. Serve the ragi roti with coconut chutney or pickle. It tastes best when served hot. This can be consumed as your breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a quick snack. Hope you guys try and enjoy. Thanks for watching.